So, we're going to unbox some...
Yes.
Ano ba tawag dito?
Haul.
Lazada and Shopee haul from 99 sale. Okay, which one do you want to open first?
Big first.
This one?
Okay.
Okay.
The big box. The big box.
We're going to unbox this one. Look.
Huh?
What's this?
This. Sorry, a box. Like a box. Like a square. Like a square.
Like a square, yes.
Like PP. Like PP. Daddy, open it.
Open it. So, this is the iPad case that I ordered.
Mommy, look. Wow.
This is the XUNDD for iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's open this one. This is for Daddy's pocket.
I want to know the 30 bucks. Wow, there's the tickets.
Yes.
Oh no, it's open.
This is color black
Color black.
and
Let's go
acrylic
big box.
case. So,
Big box. The first one.
So I'll post the price in the description or somewhere here. What's next? What do you want to open next?
Small one.
Small one, okay. This one. So, okay. So these are the Airpods cases. What do you want to open first? Next.
Big one.
No, that's later na. Okay, let's open this one. What's next?
What's that? What's that, Daddy? What's that?
Yes, I don't know what this is.
What's that about?
Okay, so here's the cell phone holder for the car.
Telephone.
So, yeah.
Mommy, what?
This one is for the screen protector of Huawei Mate Pro. Mate 20 Pro. So, tempered glass siya. And dalawa yung included sa box. What's this? It's for mommy, yes. Okay.
This is back, Daddy.
Okay, so that's it. But we're going to unbox some Lazada mystery boxes. Let's try to open this one.
Yes. Mommy, look. Mommy, look. Mommy.
So first time natin mag-unbox ng mystery box.
Oh,
And I don't know what to expect, pero I will not expect na may mga Apple Watch dito. Well, obviously, hindi kasya yung Macbook na laptop and iPhone. Let's check this first box.
Try open it, Daddy. Try open it.
Yes.
Open it now.
Okay.
Try open it.
Oh, you get. I will not look. Get what's inside. What's that?
Daddy did this.
Okay, so first one is cell phone game handle. So it will handle your phone if you want to play handheld. So, no more na. Yun lang. Okay, so let's proceed on the next box. Noah, try open it again. Ayan. Get what's inside. Okay. Will not look. What's that? Okay, so it's universal clip super wide. So, para siyang lens na you will put on your phone. And okay, last 4 boxes na tinry natin for mystery unboxing.
Should we open it, Daddy?
Yes. So, last 4. Kasi 3 boxes and 1 pouch. So, ano kaya nasa pouch na?
Oh no! Show me, Daddy.
Sorry.
Oh,
Ay.
ay nako. Remote.
Okay, let's try the pouch. Open the pouch first.
Okay, Daddy.
What's this?
Just move out. It's not missing. What's that?
What's this?
What's that, Daddy?
Ah, so this one is a USB. Not sure what's the storage capacity, but sana mataas-taas naman. So, lagay ko na lang kung gaano siya kalaki. Okay. Third box to open.
Okay, Daddy.
You get it, Noah, ha?
Let's open it again, Daddy.
Yes.
Again, Daddy, again.
Okay, get it. So hard. Another game handle! So, dalawa na yung ano natin, game handle. Okay, let's proceed to the second to the last box. Oh. Open it, Noah.
Okay.
Wow, okay, so another universal clip, wide angle lens for the phone, and the other one is a selfie stick. Okay, so last one. So far, wala pang Apple Watch, wala pang iPhone, wala pang Samsung na any phone or kahit anong phone. And this one, for the last one, sana hindi siya disappointing pero sobrang gaan niya. So, hindi ko na-expect na ano man to. Here, Noah, open this again. The last one. Okay, Noah.
Let me see.
Okay. Open it. Get it.
Wow.
Wow, okay. So this one is cable for micro SD. So for an Android phone or Android device. So it says, okay, there's one more here. Hiwalay lang siya. So, no, look. So these are the travel pouch that we ordered from Shopee. So we will use this syempre for traveling, and we got 3 para tig-isa-isa kami sa maleta, and color coded siya. So for this one, for my wife, and the gray one is for me. Yan. And then last one, the navy blue, is for Noah.
Wait, thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Also, let's check what's inside.
Sorry,
So,
guys.
apart from the bigger pouch,
Bigger?
there are also other smaller pouches. So, one is like this. So, some small stuff you can put. And
Daddy.
yes. And
Yeah,
then
yeah,
here are
yeah,
the
yeah.
others, just like this one. This one, and then this is smallest. And there's one more pack. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pouches. So for traveling kasi parang mas easier to organize your stuff pag merong traveling case. And
Yay! 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 Yay!
You wanna ride the airplane?
Okay.
let's ride the airplane.
Make them open now. Go outside now.
Let's go now.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
Okay, so for the gray one, ganun din siya. 6 pouches din yung available. But for some reason, mas malaki yung ganito. May mesh. Compared dun sa navy blue. So, sakto lang kasi si Noah naman gagamit. Yan. 6 pouches. Noah naman. Come here. So, ayun. Here are our haul. Lazada haul and Shopee haul.
Put the
So, the
airplane now.
pouches.
Go down. Let's go
From the
down.
mystery unboxing, yung wide lens, which we got 2. And then, a selfie stick,
Okay.
2 game handle, so I'm not sure if
Okay.
compatible ba siya with my phones or other phones. And then,
Lego. Yum, yum, yum.
cable, charging cable,
What's
and then a USB. So, yun.
this?
Then, we also got this one, hindi na to sa Mr. Unboxing. It's a phone holder for the car.
Let's go.
We also got Airpods Case, the black one and the red one. And then, an iPad Pro 11-inch case.
Yeah.
Then lastly, yung tempered glass for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro.
Yeah.
So, ito lang. Ito na yon. Ay, meron pa pala. Wait lang. We have another box. Now, what to unbox?
It's a big one.
The big one. This is...
Mother.
Ay.
Mother. Big. Big. Big?
Here's the biggest box that we'll be unboxing.
Huh?
And also part of the Lazada 99 sale. So Noah, look what's inside. You get it as well.
What diaper?
Noah's diaper, you know.
Yes. Open inside.
Open inside. Check if it's Noah's diaper.
Wow. What diaper?
Yes, so for this kind of box, there's 3 42 pants, na dry pants. So this is double XL, and then 3 yung nasa box. So, yeah.
Show your teeth.
Show your teeth to mommy. Noah,
Noah, show your teeth.
show your teeth to mommy.
Okay. Say bye, everybody.
Say bye everybody.
Bye everybody.
Say talk to you soon.